Well, hello there, my cocktail fans. Welcome to my snug little corner where today we are venturing into the spirited realm of tequila cocktails with a timeless classic, the Tequila Sunrise. But not just any Tequila Sunrise. Today we'll be using 100% agave Altos Tequila. This cocktail was born in the early 20th century, and it's beloved for its unpretentiousness, along with a tantalizing medley of flavors accentuated with the Altos Plata tequila. Today, you are going to learn my favorite crafted tequila sunrise recipe, along with a couple little stories about the rich culture of tequila and how we use it to make the perfect cocktail. All right, let's delve right into creating your perfect tequila sunrise. And now, the stars of our show, the illustrious trio that takes center stage in our cocktail saga. The essence that will soon swirl into the vivacious tequila sunrise. And here, we have our three key ingredients to creating your beautiful and tasty tequila sunrise. Their bright and fresh flavors work in perfect harmony together. First, our Altos Tequila Plata. Quality is always our most important goal. That's why we will be using fresh squeezed orange juice and artisanal or even homemade, super easy Grenadine to match the excellence of Altos Plata. Simple but high quality ingredients come together to create the legendary tequila sunrise. All right, so that being said, it's time to get to mixing. All right, everybody, let's get into making your favorite tequila sunrise. It's super easy. One of the hardest parts of this is finding your favorite glass for this. The way that these layer together is stunning. I love this because it's tall. You can really see the orange juice and the grenadine once we make it, but choose whatever one you prefer. I'm going to start by filling it with some ice. Some ice in your cup here. And then we'll be using 2 ounces of your Altos Plata tequila. And I love this recipe because it's so simple. You just spill this in the glass, no need for shaking. This is gonna be 2 ounces or 60 mils. And with our ingredients, we're always talking high quality, super fresh flavors. So we just squeeze some bright, beautiful orange juice. It'll be about 4 ounces, but I'm just going to pour that right on top of the cocktail. Leave just a touch of room because we need our other main ingredient, some grenadine. This is some house-made from fresh pomegranate juice, so it's super bright, really juicy, and blends well in our cocktail. And for this, it's just a bit. So it's about half an ounce or 15 mils. And just slowly pour that in. I feel like half the fun of this cocktail is making it. You can see the grenadine slowly move towards the bottom, and it creates this beautiful subtle layer, and it looks like a sunrise. Some people nerd out and call this stratification, which I love, but it's layering in our cocktail. And so you can see it slowly blending in with our tequila, our fresh orange juice. It's beautiful. All right, we see these beautiful layers mixing together in the bottom of the glass. Now just a little bit of garnish. I like to match the energy of this bright, beautiful cocktail with a fresh orange wheel and a bright, fresh cherry. Simple, stunning, and most importantly, delicious. Cheers. Oh, and how could I forget? You also have the option to make it frozen, adding a little refreshing twist on your traditional tequila sunrise. It's super simple. You just have to fill your blender with some ice cubes, pour in 2 ounces of that Altos Blanco, 4 ounces of orange juice, and then half an ounce of homemade grenadine. Blend it together, make sure it's super smooth and creamy, and then pour that into a glass of your choosing. You get really funky with it and fun. Then top it off with the same garnishes, a little bit of an orange wheel and a cherry. You can get a little crazy with it and zhuzh it however you would like. That's it. Super easy, super frosty, and delicious for a summer day. Cheers. And there we have it, our sweet, citrusy, classic tequila sunrise. It's mingled with the smooth, delicious spirit of Altos Plata tequila. The history of cocktails is huge, and each drink has its own awesome story, celebration, and memory tied to it. I hope that you can find your own ways to celebrate this beautiful cocktail. And it's sad to say, but our dive into this cocktail is coming to an end, my friends. But there's so many fun things to learn about the history and difference between tequila and mezcal. Thankfully, we have created a handy video to tell you all about it. Now you can bring your new expertise in agave spirits to your friends at your next party from this video right here. So that being said, and before we part ways, don't forget to check out the link to the Altos Tequila Sunrise recipe in the description below. All right, y'all, and as we bid adieu to our serene sunrise, remember to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's continue our voyage through the whimsical world of cocktails. And remember, y'all, it's so easy to make quality drinks at home with Altos Tequila. Cheers!